See you later, alligator. Have the wild crocodile. See you later.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from droneskater.com, and today we're gonna have a look at a small foldable drone that also comes with a 720p HD camera and also happens to look a lot like a tiny DJI Spark. Just look at it. This drone is best suited for beginners and people who want a toy to record short videos on their trips. Don't underestimate its video capability. I was actually pretty amazed by what it can do. Before I show you more, let's see what's in the box and how the drone presents itself. Here are some spare propellers and 4 prop guards. The controller is pretty small, as it should be for such a drone, and feels pretty good in hand. The drone itself looks spectacular in my opinion, and as you can see, it can fold up. The battery is proprietary and has only one cell, so you can't really use anything else. It lasts in the air for about 5 to 6 minutes. The top left button on the transmitter controls headless mode and one key return. This allows you to turn the camera towards you in selfie mode and maintain the same control directions. The button at the top right is for the one key takeoff and landing. Pretty straightforward. By pressing on the left stick you change between the 3 flying modes. Speed mode is when you hear 3 beeps, and I only recommend using it when outside and trying to battle some winds. It's a good thing you also have a quick stop, that is if you press and hold the left stick for 2 seconds. This is perfect in case the wind takes your drone away or you want it to simply drop on the ground in case of an emergency. Along the right stick there's the trimming buttons which you'll use at first to correct the tendency of the drone to go in a certain direction. There's of course the power switch of the transmitter in the middle. The camera of the drone is actually movable before you start the flight. This is a very welcome feature, since you'll be able to capture the angle that you want without having to move the drone far away from you. The drone also has an on and off button on top, and there's 2 LEDs that show when the aircraft is turned on, so you don't get confused. There's of course a phone mount for the controller, because the only way to see what the drone records is through the actual app called HTS Drone. You'll find more details about it in the manual that comes in the box. The drone can be controlled either from the transmitter itself or through the application on the phone, and even by using the phone gravity sensor, which is pretty fun to do and very precise. When it comes to the camera quality, as said before, this is a 720p camera that fits in a very tiny drone, and the quality is quite amazing, although there's some noise to it. I haven't yet tested a drone of this size and price with a better camera. That's also why I've decided to pause the review. I have tested a few other drones that were more expensive yet had worse camera quality, but I choose to post only this one. It's also pretty interesting that it flies very stable, especially when you trim it a bit. I find it more fun to fly inside, because the footage is much more stable as there's no wind. But that shouldn't stop you from flying it in a park or something. Have fun, it's a cheap drone that I bet you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment down below to tell me what you would like to see in the next video. See you later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.